Setting goals in a Wealthfront portfolio is a straightforward process that helps investors achieve their financial objectives. To get started, log into your Wealthfront account and navigate to the Goals section. Here, you can create and manage multiple goals, each with its own unique settings and parameters. First, click on the Create Goal button and select the type of goal you want to create, such as retirement, home purchase, or college savings. Each goal type has its own set of questions and settings, so choose the one that best aligns with your financial objective. Next, enter the details of your goal, including the target amount, time horizon, and risk tolerance. For example, if you are saving for retirement, you may set a target amount of $1 million, a time horizon of 20 years, and a risk tolerance of moderate. Wealthfront will use this information to create a customized investment plan for your goal. Once you have created your goal, Wealthfront will provide you with a recommended investment portfolio, including a mix of low-cost index funds and ETFs. You can adjust the portfolio settings to suit your individual needs and preferences, but it is generally recommended to stick with the default settings. Wealthfront also allows you to link external accounts to your goals, such as a 401k or IRA. This enables you to track all of your investments in one place and get a complete picture of your financial situation. To get the most out of your Wealthfront goals, make sure to set realistic targets and time horizons, and adjust your settings regularly to reflect changes in your financial situation. It is also important to take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts, such as 529 plans for college savings or IRAs for retirement. By following these steps and best practices, you can create and manage effective goals in your Wealthfront portfolio and make progress towards achieving your long-term financial objectives. Wealthfront's automated investment service and financial planning tools can help you make the most of your investments and achieve your goals with confidence.